So today we are at Hunting Lane. Is a project of ours that has been going on actively for over 7 years. It's 4 acres of flat piece of property. Topography is very, very minimal. So we had complete opportunity to see what is the best usage of the space. We create 2 axes for this project, for the garden part of it. One axis is parallel to the house in the backyard, going from one end, which is the vegetable garden, and through that coming to a point where it's the other axis of the house, which is a posing point. And we will continue to the point of entry into the enclosed pool area. So we could really say that the backyard is divided into 3 sections. The center section is the barbecue, the dining area, a fireplace, and a sitting area, mostly for immediate family, for almost everyday usage of summer space, is closest to the actual house, is easily accessible from breakfast area, and the end of that sitting area is the vast greenery of the property, just flat and beautiful grass, and the grass is actually framed at the very end by vegetations and tall trees. Then behind the green area, we have a trail. Every time we have projects that are over 2 acres and larger, we create a trail. And the walking trail in this property starts at the end of vegetable garden, getting into a trail. That the trail is relatively vast, it's about 10 feet wide, and is grassed. And you walk through it, and there are posing areas for kind of a bench or 2 for sitting. The pool house originally intended to be an accessory building for the pool, which is the usage mostly summertime. But in the middle of the project, the client decided that the building should have an air control, actually be used in the winter as well. At this point, the client is using the space, especially after the pandemic, for a private office. And also the children, they use the space a lot. And it's almost like a cottage in the property. And it's with an extensive view of the garden. People could live here actually permanently because we have a bathroom facilities as well as the kitchenette and sitting area and a loft which is designed to have sleeping quarter for 2 people. All the furnitures are for most part custom designed, and we also were involved in the design of lighting and selection of the interior finishes.